Namashivaya children, welcome to English class. We have already completed the lesson Mother Tell Us a Story. So in this session we are going to complete the textual exercise. I have already given keywords and meanings in the videos. I hope you have written, but again in this video I have sent all the keywords and meanings. Okay, shall we start children? You already know how to write a CW. First open your index page and write the index, serial number, date and the name of the lesson. Mother tell us a story and open the new page. Write the name of the lesson. Then the first main is your keywords. Okay. First one tilde. Second one carvings. Third one swaying. Fourth one curiously, fifth one tricky, sixth one hooted, seventh one swooping, eighth one startled, ninth one dwelling, 10th one clamored, 11th one flattering, 12th one bounded, 13th one trickster, 14th one baboon, 15th one sighing, 16th one grumbled, 17th one talons, 18th one spirit, 19th one magnificent, 20th wrapped. Then after the first main, leave one line and draw the line. Whenever you are drawing the lines, use pencil children. And second main is meanings. First one, till the land. Prepared the land to grow crops. Second one, flattering, praising. Third one, hoot, cry. Fourth one, grumbled, muttered. Fifth one, trickster, someone who plays tricks on people. Sixth one, swooping down, coming down suddenly. Then seventh one, talons, sharp claws. Then eighth one, vain, proud of oneself. Ninth one, dwelling, living. 10th one, magnificent, beautiful. Then this is the end of the second main. After that, leave one line and draw the line. Then third main is answer the following questions. First one, what did Manza's children ask her to do? Answer, Manza's children asked her to tell them stories. Then second one, after each question and answer children, draw one line. It will be easy for you to read and then it looks very beautiful when you write very neatly. Okay. Then second one, where did Manza live? In which continent was the village located? Answer, Manza lived in a village in Zululand. The village was located in Africa. After this, draw one line. Then third one, what work did the villagers do? Answer, in the village, the people hunted for meat, tilled the land or fished for a living. Some wove baskets and made wooden carvings. And children, it is and made wooden carvings. Where was the land of the spirit people? Answer, the land of the spirit people was deep inside the ocean. Then fifth one, what did the king and the queen of the spirit people want in exchange for the stories? In exchange for stories, the king and the queen wanted a picture of Manza's home and her people. After this, draw one line. Then the next main is rewrite these sentences in your own words. Do not change the meaning. They have given some sentences. You have to write the same in your own words. But the meaning should be the same. Okay. First one. You never know who can be of help. Answer. You can get help from unexpected sources someday. Then second one. My people are hungry for some tales. Answer. My people are eager to hear new stories. Then third one, I only know of the things that are here on the face of the earth. Answer, I know only about things that I can see happening on earth. Fourth one, and that is how stories came to be. Answer, and that is the story of how stories began. Okay. Then after this, draw one line, children, and next main is add HOOD or NESS or DOM to these words. First one, sad, sadness. You have to add NESS, sadness. Then second one, freedom. You have to add DOM, DOM. Then child, childhood. You have to add HOOD. Then bore, boredom. You have to add DOM. Then fifth one, neighbor, neighborhood. You have to add HOOD. Then brother, brotherhood. HOOD you have to add. Then crazy, craziness. Here children, Y changes to I. You have to add NESS. Okay. Then eighth one, king, kingdom. You have to add DOM. After this, draw one line. Then next, underline the correctly spelt words in the brackets. Okay, this is about homophones, children. I have already sent the video on homophones. I think you have understood the concept. Homophones means the pronunciation will be the same, but the spelling and the meaning will be different. It sounds alike, but meaning and spellings are different. Okay. Then first one, Lata is going to there. Its pronunciation is same. The spelling is different. THEIR there and THERE there. House later today. Which is the right one, children? THEIR. Underline that. Okay. Then second one, the whole village celebrated the birth of the baby girl. BERTH birth and BIRTH birth. Which is the right one, children? Yes, birth. BIRTH birth is the right one. You have to underline that. Then third one, the school principal called all the teachers for a meeting. PRINCIPAL principal. PRINCIPLE. Which is the right one? Yes, PRINCIPAL. Underline that. Okay, then fourth one, Maya knew just how to stroke the kitten to make it purr. That is KNEW knew and NEW knew. Which is the right one? KNEW knew. Here K is silent, children. We pronounce it as new. Okay. Then fifth one, Farah bought a piece of colorful cloth at the market. PIECE piece and PEACE piece. Which is the right one? Yes, PIECE piece is the right word. You have to underline that. After this, draw one line. Then we'll move on to the next one. That is abstract noun. This also I have already sent the video on abstract noun. What do you mean by abstract noun, children? Yes, you can feel that, but you cannot see, taste or touch it. Okay. I have already sent the video on abstract noun. I think you know what is abstract noun. Okay, you can watch the video once again, children, before doing this main. Okay, the first one is dark, darkness, darkly. Darkness, you have to underline. Then silent, silence, silently. Then silence is the abstract noun. Third one, rough, roughly, roughness. So roughness is the abstract noun. Fourth one, enjoyment, enjoy, enjoyed. Enjoyment is the right one. That means that is the abstract noun. Fifth one, strong, strongly, strength. Strength is the abstract noun. Sixth one, bright, brightly, brightness. Brightness is the abstract noun. Seventh one, freedom, freely, free. Freedom is the abstract noun. Then eighth one, mother, motherly, motherhood. Motherhood is the abstract noun. Okay, children. Now, the next main is underline the correct forms of adjectives. I have sent the video on adjectives also. I think you know the forms of adjective, that is adjective is a describing word, and then forms of adjectives are then positive, superlative and comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. You can watch the video once again and you can complete this main. Okay. First one, no one told stories best or better than Manza. Okay, which is the right form of adjective, children, here? Better. Underline that. Second one, the villagers were clever or cleverer with their hands. The correct form of adjective is clever. You have to underline that. Third one, Zenzil, Manza's husband, was the more talented or most talented craftsman in the village. Which is the right form of adjective, children? Yes, most talented is the right form. You have to underline that one. Okay. Then fourth one is Manza had never seen a more amazing or most amazing sight than the land of the spirit people. Which is the right form of adjective, children? Yes, more amazing is the right form of adjective. You have to underline that. So you have to write all these mains in your CW, children. I think you have already written keywords and the meanings. So you have to start with the question and answers, and all the means you have to write it in your CW. You have to use the pen to write, and it should be very beautiful, children. After each main and after each question and answer, you have to draw a line. Whenever you are drawing a line, you have to use pencil. Okay, children, understood how to write in the CW? In all the videos, I have told you how to write the CW. Children, write it very neatly and clearly. Okay, I hope you will complete the CW. I'll meet you in the next video with a different topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.